In this video, I'll show you how to deposit or withdraw on your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask lets you receive crypto into your wallet and send crypto out to another wallet, exchange, or platform. Before you start, remember that crypto transactions are usually final, so always check the wallet address, network, and token before confirming anything. Let's start with depositing crypto into MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet and unlock it with your password. At the top of the wallet, you'll see your account name and wallet address. Click or tap the address to copy it. This is the address you will use to receive crypto. Next, go to the platform where your crypto is currently stored, such as an exchange or another wallet. Choose the withdraw or send option, then paste your MetaMask wallet address as the receiving address. Now, select the correct network. This step is very important. For example, if you want to receive Ethereum on MetaMask, you may use the Ethereum network. If you are receiving tokens on Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, Arbitrum, or another supported network, make sure the sending platform and MetaMask are using the same network. If the network is wrong, your funds may not appear correctly. After entering the amount, review the details carefully. Check the wallet address, token, network, and any withdrawal fee. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Depending on the network, it may take a few seconds or several minutes for the funds to appear in MetaMask. Now let's look at withdrawing crypto from MetaMask. Open MetaMask and make sure you are on the correct network. Select the token you want to withdraw, then click or tap Send. Paste the receiving wallet address. This could be your exchange deposit address, another wallet address, or a payment address. Enter the amount you want to send. MetaMask will show you the estimated network fee, also called a gas fee. You need enough of the network's native token to pay this fee. For example, Ethereum network transactions require ETH for gas, while BNB Smart Chain transactions require BNB. Before confirming, check every detail again. Make sure the recipient address is correct, the network matches, and the amount is right. A good safety habit is to send a small test transaction first, especially if sending a large amount. Once you confirm, MetaMask will process the transaction. You can view the transaction status inside MetaMask or open it in a blockchain explorer. That's how to deposit and withdraw on your MetaMask wallet safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful, so subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.